Latent View Analytics, a leading data analytics company which had a lot of hype when its IPO was launched, but it did not turn out to be that good when it was listed in the exchange exactly 2 years back from now. And for the past 2 years, it has given negative 60% return and has stayed down for almost 2 years. But finally, it's time for Latent View Technologies to rise up, and in this video I am going to give you the complete analysis of Latent View Analytics right from the fundamentals to the technical side, and I will let you know why this is one of the major investment and it's a good investment that you are going to make, right? So let's get started. Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. My name is Sudeep, and in this video I am going to give you the full analysis of Latent View. So this is the official website, and like always I will share this link in the description section. You can go through it to know more about it. Okay, now let me take you to the fundamentals. So here it is. Latent View Analytics provides analytics services such as data analytics, consulting, business analytics and insights. Okay, and you can read about it more in this site also. I'll share the link of the screener site as well. Okay, now let's quickly jump to the numbers, important numbers. Okay, so coming here, its current price is 467.95 with a market cap of just under 10,000 crores. Okay, it has a very good reserve of 1,000 crore and a very small debt of just 23 crores. That's why the debt to equity ratio, the debt to profit ratio, both are impressive numbers. Okay, interest coverage ratio is 55. This is also an excellent number. Return on asset is 12, return on equity is 12, return on capital employed is 15. All these numbers are also quite impressive. Current ratio is 33.83. This is just fantastic number. Okay, operating profit margin is 35.44, and if we just compare it with the other companies, you see Tata Elxsi has 29.86, Persistent has 17, KPIT has 19, and PB Fintech is in negative. Oracle Fin Services is in 41. Just one company above it, but others are below it. And if we check the median, it is 15.92. Okay, so the company's profit margin is way above, in fact more than double the median in this industry. Okay, coming to promoter holding. So the promoter holding of Latent View is 65.74. again this is a very good number. Okay, because we can see except Oracle Fin Services, all the companies are even below 50 when it comes to promoter holding. Okay, but here Latent View has 65% promoter holding, which is a very good thing. Altman Z score is 17.21. This is an excellent number once again, and there is no pledging at all. That is another fantastic thing. Okay, so the fundamental numbers are looking very good for Latent View. Now let's come to the year-on-year profit and loss statement, and like always we'll compare the last 3 years. Okay, so coming to sales, it was 143 in March 2021, went up to 207 in March 2022 and 264 in March 2023. So clear sign of growth in terms of sale. And if we check the trailing 12 months, we are getting 271. So again there is increase. Okay, here you can see operating profit has also gone up from 72 to 85 and then to 102, and here it drops slightly. The reason behind that is this one, the decrease in operating profit margin. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the shareholding pattern to see what changes have occurred for the past few quarters. Okay, so the promoters were holding 68.10% in December 2021. Now they are holding 65.74%. So a small decrease of around 2.5%, even less than that, but nothing much significant. Okay, if it would have dropped more than 5%, then we could have considered it as a major drop, but here nothing like that has happened. FIAs were holding 2% in December 2021 and now they are holding 2.57%. So they have increased their stake, and if we check from this June 2022, we are seeing consistent increase in stake by the FIAs from 0.93% to 1.01%, then to 1.32%, 1.66, 1.83, now 2.57. This is a big increase for in the last quarter. Okay, but at the same time we are seeing decrease in stake by DIIs. Okay, they have dropped around 2%. Okay, so it is kind of counterbalancing each other. FI is increasing their stake, DIIs have decreased their stake, and promoters have dropped their stake by slight just 2.3% or 2.4%. Okay, so nothing much important here. shareholding pattern is looking stable. Okay, although it is not very good, but it is stable. Okay, so that was all about the fundamentals of data analytics. Clearly, it's a growing company with a good fundamental base. Okay, so now let's go to the price action, the charts, and before that, if you are watching the video so far, I request all of you to please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse, right? So here we are coming to latent view analytics, and this is the weekly time frame, and as you can see here, it was listed in November 2021. Now it's November 2023. Okay, and now we are getting to see that, and this is the weekly chart. Let me just remind you, and we are getting to see here continuous fall. Then the base has started flattening. Okay, and between these two lines, it was forming its base, and then we get a breakout here in weekly time frame. Then one retest of that level, and this resistance level has now turned into a support level. Okay, so which is what we will be looking for every time whenever we see a breakout. Okay, the major resistance has turned into support, and now you can see that after hitting this level, we are getting to see back to back wicks in the candles in weekly time frame, then one big jump here, and then little bit of retracement once again, and then a huge candle last week for the breakout. So one important thing that we are going to check here is the volume. So I will enable the volume here, and you can see here that when this base was getting formed for this breakout, you can see consistent increase in volume. Okay, and then you can see this big green candle is having huge volumes here. You can see how big this candle, I mean the bar, is in comparison to the previous bars. So it's a clear sign that the base has been formed, the breakout has occurred, and now it has already started its uptrend. It's a clear sign, very simple. Okay, now along with this, I will use a major moving average, that is the 40 weeks exponential moving average, which is the equivalent of the famous 200 days exponential moving average. Okay, so here I am enabling it, and you can see that how nicely it is providing support to this stock. Okay, it was acting as resistance here. See how the price got pulled back after it touched the 200 days moving average, and now it is providing support, and the price is being pushed up when it is touched. Okay, so this is a clear confirmation that the major uptrend has started, and I would say that this area here is a perfect point for entry, and now it has gone up to 467. So let's measure how much extra we are going to pay. So if I consider this point also, just 9%, under 10%, that's a very good entry level. I would say very good entry level, because this is a long term stock. You can hold it for positional trading, swing trading, even investment if you are willing to. Okay, and you can expect a very good return from this stock, because this is a fundamentally strong company, and you will see with time how nicely it is going to give you the returns, because the base has been formed, base is very strong, the nearest resistance level has been tested, and it has been turned into support, and clearly the moving average is also providing its support, and it has started to go up with huge volume. Also the breakout also occurred with huge volume, so a clear breakout, no doubt about it, no false breakout, right? So to conclude and to give you the key takeaway, that latent view analytics is having strong fundamentals, and it is growing year on year, right? This is about the fundamentals. Then also the promoter holding is high, the FIs holding have increased. These are the major positive points in the fundamental side. Coming to technical side, the base has been formed, the breakout has occurred with huge volume, and the resistance level has been turned into support, and now it is starting to begin its uptrend, its rally. Okay, and to conclude, this is the best time to make an entry in this stock if you have been waiting to invest in latent view. You will not get this stock at this price, you may not get this stock at this price in future, and once the market is little bit strong, you can see this stock will accelerate with huge price action. Okay, it will start going up 4%, 5%, definitely it will go up. So if you are willing to invest in this stock, make sure to enter at this point only, and do not jump in with the entire amount. Make the partial amount 50% investment in the next trading day itself. Okay, I mean the coming week, that is today is holiday, today is 27th November, so 28th November market will open. Tomorrow you can buy 50% and wait for few days or few weeks to see what the price is doing. If it is consolidating little bit and coming down little bit, then you can get it for even cheaper price, or else if it is going up also, then also you can make an entry. Okay, and if you want to stay away from so much of complexity and dividing it 50-50, 30-40, you don't want to do that and directly get a confirmation and put away all the money you are planning to invest in this, that also you can do 100% of the amount at a time, no problem with that, right? Because the stock has clearly started its uptrend, so there is nothing to fear, right? So that's all about latent view analytics. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such videos, and don't forget to check the other videos in my playlist, especially the recent ones which I made, right? Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.